Hello guys, welcome to Lavish Learners YouTube channel. It's a new YouTube channel. We have stepped into the YouTube platform to share the experience and knowledge we are having in the coding language. A couple of days ago, me and my team have addressed many of the issues regarding learning the coding languages by conducting the small survey for the students. So by listing out those issues, we would like to share some of them. The first issue we addressed is lack of basics in the particular language. And the second we noticed is which programming or coding languages we have to choose. The next we addressed is not knowing what and how to begin to code, fixing the bugs, understanding the logic of a program. It's very important that to understand a logic of a problem or a program. And these are some of the issues, some of the frequently specified issues from the students we came through. If anyone of you have such issues, feel free to ask. We are here for you to solve and fix all the problems. And also we have chosen YouTube as a platform to solve all the issues with the name of Lavish Learners. So this channel is not only for an individual, guys, it's for everyone. It's for everyone. And so let's say Lavish Learner is our channel, not yours or mine. It's our channel, and the content in the Lavish Learner YouTube channel will be explained with two different languages, English and Telugu. The very first tutorial we want to start with C language. We are planning to start a C tutorial at the first, and the main motive of our team, Lavish Learners team, intention is to make students move from a beginner level to an intermediate level. And I would like to share another important point of Lavish Learners is our team is planning to conduct quizzes, challenges, and lot more for you guys. And here comes an end to the video. If you like a video, please give a big thumbs up and do share and encourage us by subscribing to our channel Lavish Learners, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications, and do comment, guys. If you have any doubts, comment us. We are glad to give an clarification to you. And also for people who want to ask your doubts privately, you can also contact us through us by mail and Instagram. The links are given in the below. And well, guys, it's time to say bye, but we'll be back to you soon with very first video of C tutorial in Lavish Learners. Until then, bye guys. Thanks for watching.